Hey everyone, this is Katie and I'm going to be doing a quick demo of some great tips and tricks for your liquid lipstick to stay on throughout the day. I'm going to use as a demo Kylie's lip kit, and this is from her 21. It's called 21. It's from her 21st birthday collection last year. I'm going to take her lip pencil. Hers you have to sharpen, but I'm going to line my lips. And by the way, this is a pink. So with hers, you want to line your entire lip. That is a quick tip on to get it to stay longer. Next, I'm going to use her liquid lipstick. That's the wand. It smells really good too. And then last but not least, to prevent smearing, simply use a setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. You spray it on your lips to prevent smearing. Shake. And that's it. That is some great tips and tricks for your liquid lipstick to stay. Thank you.